to our video on the 5 steps of transformation success. My name is Aisling Finnegan and I'm the Digital Transformation Officer here at Conga. My journey started off with Conga as a customer. We were doing a project where we were transforming the entire revenue operations process. In my project, we implemented tools like CPQ, CLM, and an entire back office finance system. And we did it all at the same time. That project had so many learnings that I now spend the majority of my time working with customers on their transformation journey. So in this short video, we're going to do our best to give you the 5 steps to transformation success in less than 5 minutes. The first thing is understanding the 5 stages of a transformation project. Each of these stages need to be assessed to understand your maturity of where you are, where you want to get to, and what's the best path to it. So when we look at the stages that need to be assessed, the first thing is all around how you're managing your data. Data needs to be stored within a system. It needs to be accurate, it needs to be available, and it needs to be trusted by all teams. Building the unified data model that is shared across all teams and all systems is key to transformation success. The next stage is all about how you're going to digitalize all of your documents, making sure that every document is on brand, accurate, and available to teams at the click of a button, and they're not creating their own versions away from the system. Getting full visibility on all of these documents and measuring the content within those documents is key to understanding if and how you're winning with customers. The next stage is all around process automation. As we know, teams are now working from home and multiple different locations. Keeping teams connected is really key, and process automation can really ensure that the systems are easy to use and the teams can use them from anywhere. It also means you can track productivity and understand where you are with every single stage of the customer journey. The next stage we talk about is integration. And this is all about creating that truly connected customer experience. Even if you are only transforming one area of the revenue life cycle, it's really important that you ensure that you stand back and look at how this process fits in with the end-to-end customer journey, making sure that you build and solve problems for the business, not just the department. When you get all of these 4 steps right, you will automatically have better revenue intelligence. The data will be trusted, all the documents are in the system, processes are automated, systems are integrated, and you will then start to get the 360 view of the customer. And then you can start to look at tools like AI that can really help you drive through all of your predictable revenue growth and getting that visibility. When you do the assessment, the thing you're looking for across each of these areas is understanding where you're at risk, what's sustainable and future-proof. Understanding where you are today and what to expect to get on phase 1. As you will see, when you go through the different stages, you'll have different levels of maturity, and that's not a problem. It's most thing you need to focus on is taking each of these stages across the transformation project and keeping them connected and available and visible to all teams. So you track where you are, what's next, and what you should be looking at for the further and future transformation projects. And once you understand these 5 stages of a transformation project, it's all about how you apply them to the 4 quadrants of the revenue life cycle. It's all about making sure that you can really transform how your teams will do proposal and quote management, how they will negotiate and execute on all contracts, how your organization will manage and fulfill those contracts in the hope that you will renew and expand with all of your customers. And once you get your transformation project in play, it's really important that you focus on the 3 key areas: your people, your process, and your technology. You need to take people on the journey with you. Get them involved in the early stages. Challenge all of your processes. Question why you do things the way you do. See what the world is doing. You know what they say, if you take a bad process and apply technology, you'll just get a faster bad process. So it's really important to challenge the thinking and make sure that you build processes that work with where your business wants to get to. When you've got the people involved and you know the processes that you want, then select the technology that will drive the key business outcomes and all transformation projects around revenue operations. It's all around how you transform your customer experience and your employee experience. Happy employees, happy customers, means a very profitable business. So it's all around how you build one continuous transformation journey around the revenue life cycle. It's about making this entire process more automated, integrated, and most importantly, intelligent. So when it comes to transformation success, it's all about making sure that you do it with certainty and that you do it with Conga. And if you require any more information, you can contact myself. My name is Aisling Finnegan. You can find me at afinnegan@conga.com. Go to the Conga website where there's a wealth of information on revenue operations and revenue lifecycle, or you can contact any of the Conga team. All of our teams are trained on all of this process and all of the assessments to ensure we get you on the right start of your transformation journey. Or you can come and meet us at our customer conference Connect. This year it's going to be in Orlando on August the 30th and 31st. This conference has a wealth of information. We will be doing live transformation assessment with customers. There'll be live demos, lots of thought leadership, some fantastic guest speakers, and you'll be able to connect with other customers and partners who will all be debating best practices around revenue operations transformation, revenue lifecycle management, and most importantly, best practice digital transformation. So if you need any further information, please feel free to contact any of the Conga team. I hope to see you soon and best of luck on your transformation journey.